Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at FUV. Yeah, FUV. Other word, Arcimoto. Okay, Arcimoto. We're looking at Arcimoto. It's a great company. It's got some good EVs, and it's been beat up really good. Okay, it's high 36 here. You can see came out a long time ago, but now I think it's in a good place. Okay, they need to figure out some more production problems that they have had, but overall, it's a great stock. I'm very bullish on it. You can see the technical indicators are mostly on my side. Okay, you can see here we got a green arrow, and it went up above the 80%, kind of dipped below, and it's back above now. So it's pretty much a buy indication, right? It's a good place to get in. It could go down. Potentially, it could dip again. Not really sure. Depends on what news comes out, what FUD comes out, if anything like that. But it's a good time to buy options. Maybe a good time to buy leaps. Go check out my other video that I did last week on Arcimoto. So it's a very interesting stock for the long term. Once the stock market gets fixed and all these specs get into favor again, it's got a long way to go up. I mean, look at this. High was 36. It's got a lot of pre-orders, a lot of orders shipping out. So it looks like a really good thing. Not really sure I'd get one. I did pre-order the Go EV, like I said before, but not this one. But I still like the stock. All right, guys. Be sure to subscribe and let me know if you guys like this kind of video. If you guys like to see some of the mindset that goes into what stocks I buy and when I buy them. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe for more videos and like this video. Thanks for watching. Alright, thanks for watching.